I want us to look at homogeneous differential equation. But then before I continue, I would like you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, click the notification bell to get notified for upcoming videos. Now, how does a homogeneous differential equation looks like? So let's have something like this. Let's say we have dy of the x, yes, dy of the x plus by, yes, equals 0. Let's say we have something like this. Just know that all homogeneous differential equations are always equal to 0. Once they are not equal to 0, they are non-homogeneous. So you can define a homogeneous differential equation as an equation whose differential is equal to 0 or whose right hand side, yes, is equal to 0. That's just a very simple definition you can give to it. Now, a homogeneous differential equation must not always look like this. It comes in so many forms. But then, what other differential equation is this? Well, like I said in the previous video, order of a differential equation refers to the power, the highest power. So here now we just have a differential, just one, because there's no other difference. By here is not a differential, so the order of this equation is 1. Now let's look at other equations that are homogeneous with other orders. So let's say we have the 4y over the x4. Okay, and I want to use minus this time around, minus the y square, the x square, plus a dy dx equal to 0. Yes, so this is also a homogeneous differential equation, but the order here is 4. So let me write it. Order 4, and this is order 1. Yeah. And again, yeah, sometimes it can be tricky. It can be written in a tricky way, especially the order can be written in a very tricky way. Let's look at this. This is 1. Let me call this number 1, and this is number 2. So here, let's say 3. Let's say this is 3. Now let's say we are given something like this: the y, the x all square, then we have the square y over the x square plus a dy dx plus by equals 0. Now this question is kind of trickish, but then I'm going to simplify it. Looking at this, sometimes you can get tempted to open this bracket, and when we open it, we'll be having something like the square y over the x square multiplying the square y over the x square, and we can move on now by saying everything becomes the 4y over the x4 plus a dy dx plus by equal to 0. But to tell you, it is very, very, very wrong. Once you are given a differential equation like this, please and please and please just leave it like this and look at the differential that has the highest power. Now take note, the fact that we are given dy dx all squared is not equal to the square y dx square. Now this note you are seeing here, dy dx all square is not equal to the square y dx square. Why? This first left hand side expression is trying to tell us that you differentiate the equation once, then you square what you get. But this second one at the right hand side is saying square it twice. Differentiate it twice. So take note of that. You can't open this bracket and multiply with this. So our order here, the order of this equation, the order here is 2. So you see that the order of a differential equation, the homogeneous differential equation, are all very easy to understand. So we'll stop here for now. Don't forget, like I said earlier, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click the notification button to get notified for upcoming videos. Thank you.